Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Captain Radar. Today we're going to be stop that. Today we're going to be doing the first part in a multi-part series of me putting together / upgrading my Plex library. Well, machine that's going to host my Plex library. So basically what that is basically what it is, it's a machine that's just gonna be on my network that's gonna host all my movies. So before I go over to the bench with the machine and put it all together, I'm going to show you a couple of the items that are going to be going into it. One is this inland or inwind, whatever you want to call it. Inland. Yeah, it's inland. 256 NVMe SSD. These things are really tiny now. They're like the stick of gum. I know you probably hear that all the time. A expander for SATA, because the board that I have only has 4 ports, I think. And I'm wanting to put more drives in it than 4, obviously. So if I put 8, I have it. And a 10 gig card, because I have a 10 gig switch and I want to use up those ports and get, which this is the HP NC 523 SFP. It doesn't come with a fan because it's meant for a server. So yes, I screwed a fan to the heatsink. I am more than willing, and I am waiting for your comment on that, because you should know what you get yourself into coming to this channel. Yeah. So let's jump over to the bench and start putting it together. I have to show one more thing technically to do, but that's the other Noctua spot for. Oh, and Gray drive that all reports that I've read, 4K. So we're gonna try that out. Doesn't. Oh. The machine is 7. I don't know. It's some type of i7. Again. Upgrades. I'll probably turn into it. Yeah. Start with putting this. Oh yeah. It, on currently that is current GPU that will probably get an upgrade in part. Currently, well, overall, and not do 5. Do 6.4, but I'm moving all of my stuff over to 6.5. Smaller. Yeah. I'm doing half of the last part too. Gonna get right in. Alrighty. So the hard drive. Cut this one open. The 6 TB Hitachi drive. Alrighty. So this is the inside of the case. I'm gonna go over what I put in it. Right here are the 4 TB Hitachi drives that I just showed you in the last clip. Here there are two back behind Noctua fans and the K620 that will end up being replaced. So yeah, that's a once. Oh, and this, which is the LG drive that can do 4K rips. So yeah, I'm gonna put this back in the rack. We're gonna go back to the desk. So in the rack now. This is the end of the first part. In the second part, I'm gonna how to set it up, put it on my domain. It's a new piece of software that I haven't used before. One person that watches my videos may know what it is. A handful of you may from your travels. And yeah, so that's about it. Thank you very much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Oh, and share. So thanks for watching.